Today I got this new littlest pet shops for my birthday, and I just put this down.
Open it up.
So now I'm gonna open it. Here's all this pet shops. We'll also see another look at see another. She's so cute.
You want to talk about them?
Sunila is gonna climb up to the swimming pool and just relax. So here is Minka Mark. She's making a pretty smile, and she's gonna go and lay down and enjoy the sun. And everyone else wants to go in the pool, so Minka's just gonna lay down too. And here's Zoe. Look at her beautiful car. It's like, I don't know what color that is, but look at the color she is. She's purple. So she's just gonna relax and enjoy the sun in the pool. Where this kitty cat wants to be next, but I don't want to do her next because she's a little stupid. Okay. So here's this one. She has closed eyes. She's a little tired.
And you're supposed to say they have interchangeable heads.
They have interchangeable heads. This one's next to
Do you really love this one?
I think this one's really cute because she has her eyes closed and she's really cute.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want Mika Marcus is swinging there and this Mika Marcus. This Mika is gonna paint.
Can you attach her to it?
I think so, but I don't know if I could. I don't know if
I don't think it'll work.
I think it will work. Mom, could you help me? Put Minka.